Thought I would take a little pander here at Dave's Quails. They're very pretty little birds, but I just don't know what good they are exactly because I never ate quail, and I don't think I need to ever eat quail. But David has had a time with these because they've gotten out a couple times. So he's all in a panic trying to catch them. And they don't exactly fly a long ways. They kind of just low to the ground fly and then land and then hide. And they're spooky little things, but they are pretty. These are about 8 months old now, I guess. The prettier ones with the white heads are the males. And nobody's laying eggs in here, so I don't get it. I just don't get it.